Hey, what's up, guys? Well, it's been a while, and it's good to be back again. And I believe to be back again for reals, like full time. And this time I'm back, with exciting news for you all.
It's payback time.
And as you can see, our channel just hit 1,000 subscribers.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
And well, this is a good news, and at the same time, it's not really a good news because if you look at this, this channel is exactly 4 years. I think this month, 4 years. I think, yeah, because I opened it by this time, around this time, 2020 during the COVID-19 period, and it took actually 4 years to achieve this, which is actually so not good because I've not really been consistent, and because of my work and a lot of hustles here and there, and well, I already resigned from my job, and I've decided to drop other things that will be taking my time. So I'll be making videos for you guys every day as well as tutorials. So yes, this is a good news for all of us, 1,000 subscribers. But at the same time, it's not really good news because why? We have to be consistent. I have to make videos, and I should be looking at the way forward. So guys, this is my channel analytics, and I've decided to look at this analytics so I will know how to make videos, in the future. And okay, we've achieved this feat of 1,000 subscribers. But yes, good news, yes, fine, it's dope, yeah, we're all happy, you get. Yeah, but what's the way forward? Is it going to be another 1 year of inconsistency? Is it going to be another 1 year of making random videos? Is it going to be another 1 year of dilly-dallying and all sort of nonchalancy? No.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
We have to actually take this so serious, and I'm going to take YouTube as a business now. Despite the fact that it's not paying me, but I believe with time it's there too. And with the support I get from you all in terms of engagement, and because I noticed the engagement is not really that that active like that, and that's because I know I've not been making videos. And what I actually have in mind is, look, if you look at the analytics, you discover that mobile banking apps actually brought a lot of people in the last 28 days. You can see from September 30th to October 27th. And also I have flyer designs, that's graphic designs, actually still retain people, and people were able to watch on this channel. That's for the last 28 days. Also graphic design again, then we have UI UX, then finally we have a coding. So now that we have subscribers from different parts of, from different niche or of ICT, if you can permit me to say. So what am I going to do now? How do I make videos to balance all this? So now this is what I intend to do, and then with your help, I know I'm definitely going to make the right video for different people. So now what I'm going to do is that what I intend to do actually is to make the biggest tutorial resource center on YouTube. Yes, yeah, I believe Code Camp is actually one of the biggest, maybe based on my last knowledge. Well, I want to do something that is bigger than Code Camp. Yes, and I'm going to be making videos on different niche of ICT. So don't worry, wherever you belong to, series will come and hit you. I can assure you that if you are a web developer, you will definitely get videos from there. If you're a front-end guy, you'll definitely get, I'm talking about latest videos that will cover the new ICT trend, and that will be able to launch you up and into the digital space and compete very well with people. And if you're a graphic guy, don't worry, I got you covered. If you're a UI UX designer, I definitely got you covered. I'm trying to run 2 series at once now due to the analytics I'm seeing here. First, I want to run a series on web development, because actually that's my main feed. Web development for beginners, covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and other frameworks to start exploring frameworks. I want to make a full covered course on all those things. Also, I'll be running it alongside with graphics design too. this is for my graphic design guys. And then also after I'm done with that, I would like to hit the mobile app, also the banking app, fintech app, and all manner of things. So guys, just stay glued, and definitely we're going to make this worth the while. And to my active subscribers, I really don't know how to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking with me all these years. And don't worry, I won't let you down this time. Like I said, I've decided to take YouTube as a job now, and I've decided to drop other serious engagement. And I'll try to drop videos almost every day, so we can all grow this channel together, and we all can learn to be the best in whatever we do. Thank you guys, I love you so much, and I'm really excited anytime I'm behind the screen. I will see you again. Have a nice one.